Get ready for a great 2023 with a digital planner. If you haven't jumped into digital planning, then you are missing out. One of our Blessing by Design Inspire Me digital planners is the perfect way to break into digital planning. This is our original Inspire Me digital planner, and this is our Inspire Me 2 digital planner. With a tap of a button, this planner gives you easy access to month grids, and weeks at a glance, and it's got templates, 29 templates, like this one for planning trips. And we've got category sections like celebrate, for storing all your party plans. We can track all the things in your life. Hey everyone, this is Momma from Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to walk through our very popular Inspire Me digital planner for 2023. In this video, I'm using the planner on an iPad Pro with an Apple Pencil. I'm using the GoodNotes app from the Apple App Store, which you need to purchase separately for using our digital planner. Our digital planner is a PDF that can be downloaded instantly after your purchase, and you can get started using it right away. Be sure to check out our syncing videos so that you learn how to store your planner file in a location that can be accessed by all of your devices. You'll first notice the bright and cheery colors of our very popular original Inspire Me digital planner. If I tap on the year cloud at the top of any page, it takes me to the Year at a Glance calendar. I can see 14 months of planning because we included November and December 2022 in this planner. The icons on the year calendar page here and here, they link to a month's Inspire Me planning page. This is where I can jot down my goals for the month. It's a place where I can do a brain dump. Things I just want to get out of my head for the moment. And I can organize it later. We also have a list over here according to topic that correlate with all of our category sections. On the year calendar page, if I tap on any month name, I go to that month's grid calendar. This is where you can label important dates like birthdays, or maybe a wedding, On my grid calendars, I have access to little reference grids that let me just jump from month to month and see the whole month grid, either forwards or backwards. If I tap on a date on the year calendar, I'll go to that week at a glance page. The first week of the month, there may be room at the beginning to write down about thankful things or things that you might be looking forward to. I can swipe through all the week pages, and then the last week, if there's room, you can write down special moments you might have had in that month or the best thing you learned or achieved. On every week at a glance page, there's also quick links back to that month overview grid or that month's Inspire Me planning page. Something special about the digital planners we create is the templates that come with your planner. Under the Categories cloud, you'll have access to all of these pre-designed templates, such as a habit tracker, a today schedule, which you can copy multiple times and use anywhere in your planner. There's so many templates. I don't have time to show you all of them, but if you go to our website, blessingbydesign.com, there are images of all these templates. We have a journal template, and we also have, for example, what's a good one here? The budget template. If I go to my money buy section, there's the budget template. We also have some bonus pages, dot, line, just lines, grid, and then just a checklist page. And finally, there are 6 just blank pages where you can use the tools in your PDF annotating app to design your own template that can be labeled and used as many times as you need. So again, go to blessingbydesign.com to look at all the images of these great templates that come with your planner. And if you're not quite sure about digital planners, on our store you also find test files for downloading within the product description. These circular icons here on the side are to different category sections for storing pages, just like you would in a paper planner. Imagine these are like dividers that behind each one you can store the templates or pages you create within these sections. These large icons are where you can access each month, and these will first take you to the month landing page, which has a original art graphic and an inspirational verse. We also have navigation hints on a lot of the pages, especially when you're new to your planner, that tell you if I swipe left, I'll get to that month's Inspire Me page. And when I swipe again, it's the month grid page. And then I can continue swiping through all the weeks at a glance for that month. So we can see each of the months here. We've also created 2 bonus sections where you can decide your own category and store whatever it is you need to store for these, such as a work or a special hobby you might have, and you can label it like that. The question mark cloud here at the bottom left corner is on every page, and at first it takes you to our linked index. which has a list of the original pages of your digital planner so you can see how it's organized. We first start with the cover and welcome and calendar in our November-December 2022, and then each month. And these are linked. When you're first getting to know your planner, you might just play around by tapping. It's so nice to just be able to jump around in a digital planner, unlike a paper planner where you have to flip through lots and lots of pages. If I swipe once, I will find my frequently asked questions. We've got answers of how to locate things when you're getting to know this planner. And then we have step-by-step instructions for the GoodNotes app for adding pages and bookmarking and outlining them so that you have an easy index for when you've added a bunch of new things to your planner. You'll be able to quickly find them. We also have instructions for the Zoto app for the Samsung users too. For some fun with your planning, you can use our Inspire Me digital stickers. We sell them on the store, and they can add a little pizzazz to your planner. We have 48 stickers in all. You can resize them and place them. That way you have reminders of some of your activities that you might be doing each season. We have an instruction sheet that you can download that walks you through the steps of how you can use these stickers. Hang in there, we're about done here, but if you've made it this far, you can surely now like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to do just a quick tap of each of these month landing pages so that you can see how easy it is to jump from month to month and see our inspirational verses and these graphics. The Inspire Me Planner is just a really great way to plan your days and to easily be able to edit and adjust your plans. Have everything all in one place and be inspired every day. Be blessed and have a great day.